Come over the hills, my bonny Irish lad. Come over the hills to your darling. You choose the road, love, and I'll make the vow. And I'll be your true love forever. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows. Fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the boy. But my love is fairer than any.
It's down by Killarney's green woods that we stray. The moon and the stars, they were shining. The moon shone its rays on her locks of golden hair, and she swore she'd be my love forever. It's not for the parting that my sister makes. It's not for the grief of my mother. It's all for the loss of my bonny Irish lass, that my heart is breaking forever.